Today, I'm gonna show you how to make a delicious taco dip using turkey meat, some delicious queso cheese. It's gonna be so incredible. It's gonna be the only appetizer you wanna make for game day. So stay locked in and let's get to it. Start off by sauteing some onion and a little bit of olive oil until fragrant. Then you're gonna add in your turkey meat and then season liberally with taco seasoning. I like to go in with a little extra cumin and smoked paprika. Then you're gonna go ahead and mix that all together with some Better Than Bouillon. This is the little secret, y'all. Then you're gonna add your red enchilada sauce, give that a mix, and then you're gonna go in with some cream cheese and of course the superstar, some sour cream. Mix it all together and then you're gonna add tomatoes. This part is optional. Add your queso cheese or any nice melty white cheese and let it get bubbly in the oven. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Did y'all see that dip though? See how easy it can be to make a delicious homemade taco dip? Now you know how to make it, so you gotta invite your friends over and kick back for a little game night. And let me know how it turned out in the comments below. While you're here, don't forget to watch this video and that video. Bye.